Good morning, everyone. Today is the 10th of June, Tuesday. Let's have a look at the Nasdaq in this week. So, if you've seen my review from Sunday, you probably have seen that we were looking for price to come up and take the previous week's high, and that's what price has done already this week. So that's one target that has been achieved. Let's mark it. That's previous week high. Now moving forward, we are still inside this overall range here on the weekly. That's our weekly range. The weekly draw liquidity is still this one. Weekly draw, and that's basically the all-time high. But if we go to lower time frame, that's 4 hour here, we can see this range, right? So previously we have had this range, right, last week. This low to this high was our range last week. Now this new range has formed. Okay, this is our 4 hour impulse, and inside this 4 hour impulse we see price has taken this 4 hour impulse. Price has taken previous week's high. We have some intermediate highs here, this. So price has taken liquidity here, right? I'll make this as liquidity. So what can we look for in the immediate, in the short term? If I look then to the 15-minute, I see price failed to displace above previous week's high, and now price is violently inverting this overnight bullish order flow after liquidity has been taken here. So it's 1:24 a.m. Eastern time, but usually I'm not trading before 3 a.m. But we could say that our target in the London session would be down here. So equal lows here, that would be our target. Drawn liquidity here, so price to come down into this 50% of the range after seeing this inversion. Then overall throughout the day we need to reassess, because this is, in my opinion, just a retracement on the otherwise very bullish trend that might just go all the way up to all-time high. For a higher time frame change in the narrative, we would need to see price come down and invert all this structure. So yeah, that's not happening anytime soon, but we never know with Nasdaq. Some tweet may be posted or something and price just drops. So what we're trading, what we see, not what we think might happen. So we wait and see. For now, yeah, there it is. Maybe the target gets hit even before recording this. It is what it is. If that happens, then probably I need to sit out the rest of the London session. That's it for now. Good luck in the markets. See you next time.